Hello Leos, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and let's see what are the messages for you. And as these are general readings, they won't be resonating with each and every one of you. In that case, please check your moon sign and the name sign. And for personal readings, the details are given in the description box below. So Leos, on this side are your energies, on this side are the energies of the person you are dealing with. Your feelings, your intentions, their intentions, your actions, their actions, and the most likely outcome. So, Leos, as far as you are concerned, I feel you want to turn your back to this person. So, you are flipping between the two energies. You feel that you feel more stable when you turn your back to this person, but deep within, you want to be with this person. And that is what is ruffling your feathers. That is what is taxing you, irritating you, sort of. It is costing you a lot. It is really costing you and taxing you a lot, because deep within you want to be with this person. Very, very expectantly you are looking towards this person, that when will this person reach out, when will they come, what, and when will things move forward. Okay, maybe you have been at extremes with this person, you have dealt with a lot of extremes with this person, but right now you feel that your stability is turning your back from this person and moving away from this person there, but your emotions don't let you do that. As far as your person's feelings are concerned, they know that you are their wish fulfillment. They have a lot of love for you, they have a lot of emotions for you, but they are not telling that to you, they are not showing it to you. They are stabilizing their emotions by thinking something or whatever way, but they are keeping it to themselves. As far as your intentions are concerned, uh, 1 second, please wait. One second. Sorry for the pause. So, Leos, so we were talking about the fact, we'll continue from what their feelings are. So, their feelings are that this person is trying to stabilize themselves, even though they know that you are their wish fulfillment, but there is certain reason. I don't know what has happened between both of you, that this person doesn't want to show it to you. So, they are covering it up and stabilizing themselves, or they are gathering themselves back, stabilizing themselves, hiding the free flow of emotions which they have for you. As far as your intentions are concerned, you are waiting for this person since a long time, Leos. That's what you feel. It's been day and night, time is moving on and on, and your intentions are that you're sick and tired waiting for this person, and maybe you would like to close the doors if they don't reach out. It's too much for you. That's what I feel, that you will be wanting, your deep within you have that idea or a thought that if nothing happens in whatever time frame you have, or whatever conditions you have in your mind, that you'll close the door to this person. As far as this person's intentions are concerned, this person is very, very depressed. They are so upset and so depressed. They feel very, very, they really don't know how to deal. Maybe this person is dealing with depression or anxiety or something of that sort. They are in grief basically. So they just want to deal with their own grief. That's what. Then they're dealing with their own grief. That is their own intention. They are not doing anything. Maybe you don't even know about that. As far as your actions are concerned, one more thing I would like to say, Leos, is maybe some of you are dealing with Cancerians, because the reading which I did just before that with the Cancer, there are many cards which are overlapping, just in a different situation. So maybe some of you are dealing with a Cancerian. So please check out that video. Maybe that is of some help for you. So coming to your actions, I really don't think that you are going to take any action, because you've been waiting and waiting and waiting, and you feel you want this person to take action. Maybe there is a tug of war or ego battle between going on between both of you, but you are getting a lot of angry now, sort of that energy is building up within you, that you are taking the stand which is more firm than before. So the action, you won't be taking any action because you really don't have any intent of taking any action, whatever happens. As far as your person is concerned, this person is dealing with their emotional heartbreak here. So this person also wants to deal with their own emotions. They want solace, they want comfort, they want to heal themselves. So, and they are really dealing with a lot of grief here. Lot of grief, lot of heartbreak. You are not aware of that. So they want their own space to heal. I don't think they will be taking any action. And the most likely outcome here is that there is stability coming in. It can be that if you are spending a little time apart, maybe this is the time which is required, and both of you may be a little more stable or come to a conclusion within yourselves that you want to be together. So there is some sort of stability building in, or some sort of a decision may be taken apart, and then you people may think about getting a stability together. So initially I think you people are focusing on being stable apart, and then you may think of being stable together, something of that sort. So Leos, that's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye. Thank you.